preserve. So jamun is one fruit, which is bale candy we have. So these products are not available in the market. Now people have, if you ask a kid today what is jamun, he will not be able to tell.
रंग रंगीली आई होली, खुशियों को संग लाई होली, अपने रंग में रंगने को, अपनों को संग लाई होली, भूखे हुए को खिलाने को, पकवानों की थैली लाई होली. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. We have on our show today Mr. Anand Mani Tripathi, who is working with the mission to promote, develop, innovate ancient, sustainable Indian farming techniques. Anand is the founder and CEO of Aryavarta Organics Private Limited, that is Indus Organics. They are manufacturing healthy organic foods and are here for a holy special with some chemical-free gulal. आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है आनंद जी.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks.
To start with, Anand ji, आप बताइए, what inspired you to begin the company? Also, tell us about Anand and Indus Organics. Over to you.
Like, I am from the farmer background. Basically, I have my own 44 acres of land which we cultivate in Uttar Pradesh. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. So I used to do cultivation and farming of all the products like wheat, rice. So in due course of time, I have seen the shift patterns into that. Earlier, the farming was done with the help of natural resources, based on the animal husbandry. And animal husbandry was very important part of agriculture in our ancient times, just I think 20 years back, 25 years back. But in due course, there was a paradigm shift into this whole agriculture segment. Farmers sold their, cattle, and now they are totally dependent on the market and market-based pesticides, weedicides, even the fertilizers. So these all things were available without cost 25 years back. We used to manufacture it on our own since I was doing farming. And then I seen this paradigm shift into this segment. When I studied, then by that time I was into 6th, 7th and 8th class. But then I have gone for the higher education. And once I tried to analyze the whole thing, what is happening around, how the world is developing, and at the same point of time, different shifts are happening in each and every field, not only in agriculture. How our culture has changed in last 20-25 years, and I tried to correlate all the points. And since I was working in organic field, in agriculture field, I tried to join the dots from starting from the not only in agriculture, from the culture, from the education, from various aspects, all walks of my life. And I firmly believe in destiny and karma. So I think there was a power which was guiding me to study all these things and then do research on it and come out with something which is helpful for the whole, not only in agriculture but for the whole humanity in all walks of life. So that's how Indus Organic was formed. Because our organization is based on the main philosophy, the basic philosophy, which our organization, the underlying philosophy is that we want to bring back the old ancient systems. But why? There is a question. Means anyone can ask why. Why you want to bring back that? Because when we researched on it, we found that there is a very much they all the systems, all the traditions, all the even from all the processes, all the things which we are following, like fasting system, even the when we used to how you used to live in life from starting from the morning when we wake up till the night when you go to the bed. There was a system for each and everything. If you go back 20 years back, even our grandparents used to tell us, don't do this, do like this, this is the right way. So that is now science is finding out that is the most scientific way to do it. So that is what we want to bring back. And that is what that's why we put the name of our brand as Indus Organic. Indus is one of the oldest civilization on this earth. It is derived from Indus Valley civilization. And our company name is Aryavarta, again one of the oldest name of India, Bharat.
बहुत ही अच्छी बात आपने बोली है आत्मनिर्भर भारत की और ये जो छोटे-छोटे सबके कंट्रीब्यूशन है. I think this is wonderful and very delightful, Anand ji. Anand, आप मुझे बताओ, what services does Indus Organic offer And please share with us your products also.
Aryavata Organic is the company name. Indus Organic is the brand name of our product. We are working since it has been 1.5 years. We are working in the first phase. We have divided into 3 phases. First phase is food of ancient times, where we are trying to promote organic food products. Where a farmer who is doing cultivation, who is using on-farm natural resources without depending on the market, he is using the ancient agriculture technologies to cultivate the crop, to do any crop. And that is most important part is we are more focused on developing the animal husbandry part, because that is, without that you can't imagine agriculture. You can't imagine. You can imagine for next 5 years, but if you want to do it for next 500 years, animal husbandry is very important. And then we work with farmer communities. We train them. We do the technology know-how transfer, because there is a generation gap between how the chemical farming is done. Now every farmer is aware about chemical farming, but they have forgotten the ancient farming techniques. So we do the technological know-how transfer, and then we procure those crops based how when they are doing it through organic farming, and then we procure it, process it at our own facility, which is based on Jaipur. This is moong chilka dal. So this is moong is organic. It is produced by a farmer, and then we have processed it into chilka form. This is one of our packs of brown sugar. So this is organic brown sugar, which is made of organic sugar cane. We have this white sugar as well, which we are potted sugar, which we are doing. Packs of spices. So we do packaging. We at the same point of time when we are talking about organic, we also think about something which is more sustainable. So we have shifted from PET bottles to glass bottles, so that it is more eco-friendly. So these kind of spice packaging are there. We do pack all the spices into glass bottles. Then we have honey as well, organic honey, which we are selling. All this is oil bottle in which we do all oils like groundnut oil, sunflower oil, amla pras as well. This is our amla pras, jamun juice, and then aloe vera juice. We have some interesting products like castor oil as well. The fruit preserves which we are doing. These all products are based on Ayurvedic recipes. We want to promote something which is healthy. Organic food product is also healthy. But if you prepare from organic food product, if you are going to make pizza, believe me, it doesn't make sense.
Amla Prash is something which I think is the latest trend, and somebody who's making it the organic way. I think this is totally wonderful, Anand, what you're doing. What is the USP of your entire brand, Indus Organic?
Actually, the USP of our product is that all the products which are available in the market, they all come from sustainable organic farming. All are equal. I will not say that my product is better and someone else's product is not better. It is all, and since we follow the regulations as well. If you see on the pack, there is a regulation of India Organic, USDA Organic, Zavik Bharat. So all the companies which are doing organic and selling organic in the market, they are all certified with the same regulation. Our USP is that we are doing the kind of products which are based on ancient eating system, ancient valued system, jamun preserve. So jamun is one fruit which is bale candy we have. So these products are not available in the market. Now people have, if you ask a kid today what is jamun, he will not be able to tell. Second USP is what we can see since it's my brand. So the packaging is one of the important part. The pricing is the third part. We have tried to keep it at the lowest possible price. Food is ancient times is one. Second is the medicine of ancient times, where we are working on a concept where our concept is aharam sam upcharam sam aharam. What we want to say through our brand, if you see it is written over here. So it is our tagline. What we want to say, your food is your medicine. If you are eating right food at right time and in the right portion, you will not fall ill. Whatever education I have done till date, it is all information which is available with Alexa on the fingertips, right? If you ask A plus B whole square, Alexa will tell. So that is what we have got, all information, but not the knowledge. So we have knowledge is like, if you know something and you can create something of your own, you get skilled in that. So we will be working on that in third phase as well.
बहुत ही अच्छी बात आपने बोली है कि हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन तो है पर नॉलेज नहीं है, बिकॉज बहुत ही कम ऐसे लोग हैं जो पुरानी चीजों को इतना प्रमोट करते हैं. This is totally wonderful, Anand. So what is special for Holi from Indus Organics?
Ma'am, for Holi, we are coming up with Gulal. There are four colors which we have. There are tribal bells in Aravalli region where we do a lot of flowers are there. Actually, Holi is a very old tradition in India, and it is used to be celebrated. Again, we have done a lot of research in that how it used to be celebrated in ancient India, in Vedic India. So actually, the tradition was like this time the all the flowers, all the leaves, since this is known as in Vasant Ritu, Patjhad. So what happens? All the flowers, they drop. Trees drop all the leaves. They shed all the leaves and flowers. So Holi was a tradition. It was celebrated like use all the herbal things for your body, and that was actually lepan. That was known as lepan. So Holi color came later. Earlier it was lepan with all the leaves and flowers, all the natural things, and then people invented that okay, it is giving colors as well, and then when you wash it, it becomes your skin becomes new. So that is how Holi was invented in India. It is, and other mythological stories are already there, but the color thing came from this this thing that people were thinking now what to do with these flowers which fall down from the tree, what to do with the leaves. So they used to manufacture different colors, and they fixed a date. Okay, this day will be the best day to celebrate it, and that's how it started. We are manufacturing with these are manufactured totally by the tribals. We don't manufacture it with the corn flour, and then corn flour is mixed with different kind of flowers. Like if you want to make pink color, it is manufactured with rose petals. Then if you want to make yellow color, it is manufactured with teshu and palas. From amaltas we are making orange color. From spinach and rajka grass we are making green color. I think this is green color gulal, which is made of spinach, corn flour and rajka grass. Yellow color, which is made with corn flour, tissue and palas flowers. Pink gulal. This is made with corn flour and rose petals. Orange gulal, which is manufactured with amaltas flowers and this corn flour.
You are involved with a lot of tribals and the villagers. I think
Right.
you're working with them.
Right.
Any of your social initiatives you would like to share with everyone?
Think about organic, and it's not only for the company. It's a social cause. If you are providing good food and good, it's for whole. Not only, as I said, it's not only for a company or my organization. It is for farmers. It is for consumers because they are going to eat healthy food. It is for planet. So it's a social cause which we are working for. That's what our organization thinks, that we are not working for an organization. We are working as an social NGO where we work with a lot of communities. We organize medical camps for these farmer communities. As I said, we do technological know-how transfer. So when these things are done, when a farmer community, suppose we invited 100 farmers from particular area, particular tribal belt in Chhattisgarh or in Rajasthan, in Arauli, Udaipur region. So that time we organize, as well as medical camps are organized, so that their families, we do talk with them for the girl child education, because in that area, even the it's not only the girl child education. There's no education. They don't send their kids to their school. So we motivate them in that training session as well, so that if your kid will be educated, he will be able to do a lot more productive work on the farm as well. Then we have an initiative where we say Jai Jawan Jai Kishan. So 1% of our total profits we donate to the military organizations, and 1% will be donated. Means half a percent we are donating to farmer community organizations as well. Social impact, if we talk about another social economical impact, is there. We try to bring the the strata of those farmers, because they are marginal farmers, 1 acre, 2 acre, 5 acres. So what we do, we procure whatever commodities we are procuring, we pay 10% premium to the farmers. Suppose a product is priced at rupees 20, and he is willing to market price for that particular product is 20, we buy it in 22 rupees. So if it is 100, we buy it in 110. We pay 10% premium to the farmers, so that they can their economical upliftment can also be done, and they remain motivated for doing organic farming.
Would you like to share any of your upcoming projects?
We are working on education system as well, where we want to promote skill-based education. So we are working on education, ancient of education times, as well as we are working on diet portions, where, as I said, medicine of ancient times. So where there we are deciding on the small portions of diet for each and every as per Ayurveda, along with the medicines. Ayurveda has only three things: Vat, Pitta, and Kapha, and that can be controlled maximum with 15 medicines, not more than that. 15 jadi booties are there which can control. Ayurveda focuses more on parhej, prohibition. So prohibition means diet portion. So suppose you are eating medicine but you are eating a lot of food, that will not help. So that is how we are manufacturing. We are preparing on the kits for the diabetic people, for the heart patients, for the patients who are suffering from cancer. So we are working. Our team is back-end team is working on that. Soon we will be coming up with medicines as well, Ayurvedic medicines, and that will not be medicines. That will actually your food. What you eat.
हम अपने सारे viewers और सारे followers को बोलेंगे, please go ahead and enjoy the organic gulal. Mr. Anand's number and his details are available on this video and this feed. आप directly उनको call कर सकते हैं, उनको order place कर सकते हैं. I think he will be managing the logistics very smoothly. होली रंगों का त्योहार है, खुशियों की सौगात है, सब अपनों का साथ है, दोस्तों का प्यार है.